A strong core is about more than just six-pack abs. It's the foundation for everything you do. A strong core improves balance, posture, and stability. It can even reduce back pain and the risk of injury. These simple exercises will help you build a rock-solid core. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll see amazing results. Let's get started. The plank is a classic exercise that strengthens your entire core. It's a simple yet highly effective move that targets multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including your abs, back, and shoulders. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, incorporating planks into your routine can significantly improve your overall fitness and stability. Begin by lying face down on a mat. Make sure your body is fully extended, with your legs straight and your toes pointed down. This initial position sets the foundation for a proper plank. Prop yourself up on your forearms, elbows directly under your shoulders. Your forearms should be parallel to each other, and your hands can be either flat on the mat or clasped together. This alignment is crucial for maintaining balance and preventing strain on your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Avoid letting your hips sag or rise too high. Imagine a straight line running from the top of your head to your heels, and try to maintain this alignment throughout the exercise. Engage your core, pulling your belly button towards your spine. This action not only strengthens your abdominal muscles but also supports your lower back, reducing the risk of injury. Hold for as long as you can, aiming for 30 seconds to a minute. As you build strength and endurance, you can gradually increase the duration of your plank holds. Remember to breathe steadily and avoid holding your breath. Repeat 3 to 4 times. Consistency is key to seeing results, so try to incorporate planks into your workout routine at least 3 times a week. Over time, you'll notice improved core strength, better posture, and enhanced overall fitness. Bicycle crunches are great for targeting your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abs. They not only help in sculpting your waistline, but also improve your overall core strength and stability. This exercise is a fantastic addition to any fitness routine, whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete. Lie face up on your mat, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. This starting position is crucial for maintaining proper form and avoiding any strain on your lower back. Make sure your lower back is pressed into the mat to engage your core muscles effectively. Place your hands lightly behind your head. Avoid pulling on your neck to prevent any strain. Your hands should simply support your head, allowing your core to do the work. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring your left elbow towards your right knee as you extend your left leg. This twisting motion engages your obliques and helps in toning the sides of your abdomen. Alternate sides, mimicking a pedaling motion. This continuous movement not only works your obliques, but also engages your lower abs and hip flexors, providing a comprehensive core workout. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of repetitions or add more sets to challenge your muscles further. Remember to breathe steadily and maintain a controlled pace throughout the exercise for maximum effectiveness. Section 4. Elevate your core with leg raises. Leg raises work your lower abs and hip flexors. Lie face up on your mat, legs extended, arms by your sides. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat. Slowly raise your legs towards the ceiling until they are perpendicular to the floor. Lower them back down with control, stopping just above the floor. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions. Section 5. Twist and shout with Russian twists. This exercise is a fantastic way to work on your core strength and stability. It's a dynamic movement that not only targets your obliques, but also enhances your overall rotational power. Russian twists target your obliques and improve rotational strength. They are particularly effective for athletes who need to generate power through their torso, such as tennis players, golfers, and baseball players. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. This is your starting position. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground to maintain stability throughout the exercise. Hold a light weight or medicine ball in front of you. The weight should be manageable, allowing you to perform the exercise with proper form and control. Lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. This slight lean engages your core muscles even before you start twisting. Ensure your spine is neutral to avoid any strain on your lower back. Twist your torso from side to side, touching the weight to the floor on each side. Move deliberately and avoid rushing through the motions. The goal is to feel the engagement in your obliques with each twist. Focus on controlled movements and engage your core throughout the exercise. Proper engagement of your core muscles will maximize the benefits and help prevent injury. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. As you become more comfortable with the exercise, you can increase the weight or the number of repetitions to continue challenging your muscles. Remember, consistency is key to seeing progress. Section 6. Climb every mountain with mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that gets your heart rate up while working your core and shoulders. Begin in a high plank position with your wrists directly under your shoulders. Bring one knee towards your chest, keeping your core engaged. Quickly alternate legs, driving your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Continue for 30 seconds to a minute. Section 7. Your core, your commitment. Congratulations! You've learned 6 easy exercises to strengthen your abs and core. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Incorporate these exercises into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. Listen to your body, challenge yourself, and celebrate your progress. A strong core is a powerful thing. Are you ready to unleash yours?